at makeup by underscore Eva. Why am I all over the place? Take a deep breath, baby. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. So today's video is going to be about this whole beautiful look. Like, are you feeling my look? Are you feeling the eyes especially? So I'm going to be showing you the drugstore affordable products that I use. If I don't tell you, you can't tell that this whole look, everything on my face is drugstore. Contrary to popular belief that only high-end products actually give this perfect outcome, you can also do this or get this with your drugstore affordable products. It all depends on your application. This is something you would want to see, how I use the products, how I applied them, what I did before what, then please watch this video today. The first drugstore product I'm going to be using today is my Davis brow pencil in the shade 003. So this pencil is legit everywhere. This pencil is so affordable that you don't even have an excuse not to own one. So what I'm just going to do is just outline my brows and then clean up with some concealer. Now what I do is I make sure the tip of my pencil is sharp, so I just get one straight up coverage instead of it being blunt, and then I'd have to go back and forth creating smudges all over the place. And I want my brows, in as much as I'm still going to clean it, to be as neat and beautiful as possible. So in case you're wondering, I have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, so I'm just going to link it up somewhere so you can click on it and watch to see an in-depth tutorial on how I do my brows. So the next thing we're going to be going in with is my L.A Girl Pro Conceal in Chestnut. I'm going to be using this to clean up my brows. So for my eyeshadow base today, I'm going to be using the Ewaronke Stay Put eyeshadow base. Your fingers are the best blending brush you'd ever need. You want to make sure that you blend your eyeshadow base properly so as not to leave patches, because once you start having patches on your base, it definitely would affect your whole eyeshadow application. For my transition color, I'm going to be using the Veebeauty Ogene palette, and I'll be using these two shades right here. What you want to do is go in circular motions. There's no need to drag. Either go in circular motions or you tap, whichever is comfortable for you. Next palette we'll be going in with is the Fina Cosmetics 35 eyeshadow palette, and we'll be using this beautiful orange color right here. So to blend the edges of my eyeshadow, using these two brown shades here, this and this. So I'm just going to mix them up to blend my eyeshadow. Guys, when you're blending, you need to take your time. There's no rush. Make sure you blend out all those harsh lines and edges of your eyeshadow. I want my eyes to pop, so I'm going to be going over this eyeshadow with some shimmery shadow. Using this shade right here. I'll be using the liquid Mabrook eyeliner to line my eyes. To line the rim of my eyes, I'm going to be using the Zaron eyeliner in Black Velvet. I'll be using the Zaron lengthening mascara too. And I'll be going in with is my moisturizer. This moisturizer is from Msmetics Cosmetics, and this is their sample tube. The next thing I'll be going in with is the Ewaronke Perfect Lock Primer. After my face primer, next thing I'll be going in with is my mattifier, and I'll be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifier for all those places that I would produce oil. The foundation we'll be going in with is the Maybelline SuperStay foundation in Warm Coconut. For highlighter, I'll be using the L.A Girl Concealer in Fawn. Just a little product will go a long way. There's no need going in with so much. So I'm just contouring the edges of my face to bring back some warmth and dimension. And I'm using a dark shade from my powder palette to do this. For setting powder, I'm going to be using the Airspun Translucent powder. To line my lips, I'm going to be going in with Classic Makeup eye pencil in brown. Going over my lip liner, I'm going to be going in with a random lip gloss. Like, I don't know the name of this lip gloss. But it has the perfect nude. Dust off my setting powder now. I'll be going in with my powder shade in the Veebeauty eyeshadow palette. And my shade in that palette is dark chocolate. For some highlighter, I'm using the Zikel Glow Kit in the shade Golden Bronze. To smoke out the under of my eye, I'll be going in first with that orange shade I used earlier. I'll be going in with my dark chocolate powder. Finish this whole look, I'm going to be applying mascara to my lower lashes. Comes to the end of this video. I hope you love this look. Like, these eyes are giving me all shades, all sorts of life right now. Like, it actually came out the way I imagined in my head. This is going to be kind of like the first time I'm going with something really bold on my eyes. Yeah, so I hope you like it. If you end up recreating this whole look, please make sure to tag me on Instagram with my handle at makeup_by_Eva_. Also, I would want you guys to suggest more videos that you guys would want to be seeing on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, share this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Be safe, stay blessed, and stay healthy. Don't forget to wash your hands.